Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up on your Wix website. Now first thing first, I'm going to need you to create an account on Wix website first before you continue to watch this video. If you've already done that, great, now we can continue to the next step. So I'm going to start by creating a new site from scratch. First thing first, you can go ahead and click create a new site, and over here you can start and choose on what kind of website would you like to create. Is it an online store? Is it a portfolio? Is it a blog? Is it a consultant website, technology company, restaurant, etc.? If the category that you would like to use are not available on the list below here, you can always type it out right here. For example, maybe you want to create a beauty website. You can go ahead and type in beauty, and as you can see, they're going to give you some options that you can choose: the beauty parlor, beauty business, etc. Let's say that I'm going to create a beauty treatment clinic over here. Then you can go ahead and click on continue. Most of the steps that appears before you can customize your website are totally skippable, but I feel like filling in all of the details from this pop-up question is going to help Wix website to offer you the most suitable and relatable website template. Alright, as you can see, now I'm at the step where I can choose the template of my website, and some of them have this best match label on it, and I'm sure that they feel like it is the best match according to the details that I filled in earlier. But all of these templates are totally customizable, so you can go ahead and choose anything that you feels like are the closest to the website design you had in your mind, and then you can start from there. Let's say that I'm going to work with this one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. And once it's finished uploading, they're going to bring you into this website editor section. So on Wix website, the navigations menu or navigation bar that you're going to work with when you're trying to edit and customize your website is going to be on the left side of your screen. You see all of the symbols right here. If this is your first time editing your website, they're going to show you what each symbols mean. So this plus signs right here is adding elements, symbols, and this one means add sections. This one's for pages and menu. This one's for site design, this one's for adding app, and this one's for business, etc., etc. Now, to add a pop-up, what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on this add element section, and then you're going to go to this interactive option. And on Wix website, the pop-up that you're searching for will be on the light boxes options right here. So they have the welcome, subscribe, promotion, contact, like boxes, but don't worry, you can always customize them, or you can also choose the hover boxes, but this one doesn't work as well as the light boxes. So I'm going to use these light boxes as an example, and let's say I want them to subscribe into my website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the subscribe options, and I'm going to try and take a look at the templates that they have. I ended up going to the promotion sections because I feel like they have more interesting templates. So let's say that I'm going to create a promotional pop-up like this one's right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now as you can see, I got my pop-up created. Now you can see that the pop-up comes with this box right here and a solid color background. I personally don't really like it when a pop-up ended up covering the whole website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on the background, and I'm going to change it from a solid colors into something that is less opaque. Now, in order to change the opacity of my background, I'm going to go ahead and click on change background, and then click on this settings right here. Then I'm going to bring it all the way down, let's say for maybe around 25 or 30 to 40%. I think 35 will do just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to 35. Alright, so I got the background or the overall website blurred out, but it's not completely blocked. This one looks nice, and you can also change the colors if you want by going to the colors and then choose on whatever colors you want. I kind of like the beige one, so I'm just going to work with that. Or you can also add your own image or video even if you want. Alright, next you can also edit the text by clicking on the text box and then like just put whatever text you will want. So this one says extra 60% off, and let's say this one's gonna say for your first treatment, and then the buttons is going to say book now. Obviously, all of the elements that appears on this box right here are totally customizable, so you can just go ahead and add some more if you want. Go to the add element sections, and then if you would like to add pictures, or maybe if you'd like to add more buttons, you could just click on the available options on the add elements section. I'm just going to change this into, let's say, 50% off, and maybe this one is going to be connected into the booking page or a treatment page. Then go ahead and click on OK. And now if you're wondering how to make this pop-up appearing, all you have to do is click on this light box, and then you're going to want to click on set trigger. Now you can change on the name of the light box, but since it's not really going to be visible on the eye of the customers, I'm just going to leave it be. And you can also set whether you want this light box to automatically appear on the website or not. And if it's not, you can trigger your light box by adding any buttons or link on your website. I'm just going to leave it as automatically appearing for now. And then you can choose on which pages do you want this light box to appear. You can actually choose more than just one. Let's say we want it to appear on the home, on the blog, on the treatment, etc. Let's say I'm just going to set it over there. And then you can put a delay so that when people opens your website, this is not going to immediately pop on into their face. They actually are going to have time to scroll around a bit before this pop-up appears. I think 2 seconds is pretty good. You can also click on manage light box in order to setting it even further, and once you're done you can go ahead and click on save, or you can also just directly publish your website. And then let's take a look at how it looks like on the actual website. Alright, so let's say I'm going to scroll around, and there we go. Remember that I set the timer for the pop-up to appear at 2 seconds, and it does exactly that. Now I get the pop-up appearing on the website, and let's say I'm going to book the treatment, and if I click on book now, it's going to bring me into the treatment page. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a pop-up on your Wix website. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.